Hey folks, today is a good day. We are going to be making ribs and trying out a few different barbecue sauces. I'm calling this the Battle of the Sauces. A few weeks ago I received in the mail a care package from Jack Scalfani, the star of the Cooking with Jack show. In it he included a couple barbecue sauces. One of them was the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste, and the other was the best hot barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. This Battle of the Sauces is going to be a simple taste test of these two sauces plus another sauce I decided to add into the mix. Sweet Baby Ray's, something you can get in just about any grocery store. In order to try to make this a simple test and not add a lot of extra flavoring to the ribs, I'm not going to be rubbing these ribs with anything or smoking them. I'm simply going to be roasting them and then finishing them on the grill. I'm looking forward to this battle, and I know a few of my neighbors are also looking forward to it as well. They're going to help me with a taste test of these different sauces. So let's get started. For this sauce taste test, I'm going to be making a couple racks of ribs. So let's get these ribs ready. They're pretty clean. Not a lot of fat on them, but we will need to get off the membrane on the back here. So let's go ahead and do that. A whole lot of years ago, I used to work in a restaurant where I used to have to take off the membrane on a couple dozen ribs a night. It's been a long time since I've done this, but just need to get it started underneath there, pull it up a little bit, and then if you're living right, you should just be able to pull it and off will come that membrane. I guess I'm living right today. Okay, now that we have the ribs cleaned up a little bit, we're going to roast them. This method I actually picked up from Sam the Cooking Guy on YouTube. And for this method, what we do is we take a rack of rib and put it on a little cookie sheet or a baking pan and add about a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar into the pan. A couple tablespoons there, a couple tablespoons there. And then we cover it with tin foil. Cover it with tin foil real tightly. And then we put this in a 350-degree oven for 75 minutes. So after 75 minutes at 350 degrees, these ribs will be done, but they won't be very pretty. We'll finish these ribs on the grill with the sauce. This has just come out of the oven, so let's be careful when we take this tin foil off so the steam doesn't get us. Looks like we're getting a little bit of pullback here. As I mentioned, it wasn't going to look all that pretty coming out of the oven after being roasted, but we'll put it on the grill and get some sauce on there and it'll look great. Okay, this might seem odd what I'm doing, but I'm actually removing the ribs from these ribs to allow the sauce to get into more of the meat. That way I'll be able to just slice them in little pieces and cube them up and have samples ready for all the different tasting that's going to be going on. All right, let's sauce these. On this one back here, I'm going to put the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. This one back here, I'm going to put the best hot barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. Seems a little bit thicker. I think on this one I'm going to put the Sweet Baby Rays. Okay, let's take these off. First we'll start with the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. That is looking gorgeous. The best hot barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. Again, looking fine. And Sweet Baby Rays. Okay, first we're going to cut up the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. And I think I'll cut these in thirds. And we're going to put these in container A. Got a clean cutting board, clean my knife, and this is the hot version. Okay, give this a good cut. So these will be container C. And finally, we have the Sweet Baby Rays, which we are going to be putting in container B. Cut this up. So there we are, all packed up and ready to go for a taste test. Okay, it's time to take a little walk in the neighborhood and have some of our neighbors try out some of these sauces. I'm a little nervous about this house because they had a barbecue rib competition a couple of years ago and he came in first. I have the 3 different kinds. I'm going to save the hottest one for last because I don't want to screw it up.
My palate right away.
So give this one a try. Now, first of all, I got to tell you, I didn't smoke these. I just roasted them and grilled them.
Nice. Sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
That's what I like that one. I don't know, it's good.
Yeah. Okay, so this is another one. This is actually a little dark horse here. See if you like this one here.
It's a little different.
And just if you would assess what you've seen from that guy.
Not as good as the first one, man. I like the first one better.
Okay, good, good.
I mean, you look up and you say, wow, what a nice
And see, this one's got a kick to it, just so you know. So there's a little heat to it. So
I don't mind that.
But I think that's the good thing, that overall, I don't know that you watched this game and you just walked away from this.
Yeah, it's good. It's got a nice amount of heat. Not over
Yeah.
too much. I like it. It's good.
So if you had to put these in order, which would you do?
I think first I would do the A,
Yeah?
and then the C, and then the B.
Okay. Cool. You're a winner. Well, all I did to cook these was roasted them in the oven and then I just grilled them on the grill.
Okay.
So
Are they
all right.
bone in, boneless?
They're boneless.
Okay.
I took the bones out, cut them up,
Okay.
they'd be off. Okay. And so
Okay.
we're
This
gonna-
is
This is A.
This is A. We're just calling this A for now.
Okay.
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 You like that one?
Sweet.
it is sweet.
Sweet. Yeah.
That's good meat too.
Yeah. It's a nice sweet one. Yeah, and I purposely cooked it not on the smoker or anything, just to try to get just the sauce, and that's
Yeah.
kind of what I got to on the sweetness.
Mhm.
So here's the second one. This one might be more familiar, but I don't know. So these are a little bit bigger chunks, some of them. So
I recognize this flavor a little.
Yeah.
You?
Why do I know?
I do too. It's like barbecue.
I like it better than A.
Yes. It's more of a traditional barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
You get the smoky flavor, a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. that one compliments me.
This reminds me
Okay.
of barbecue.
Yeah, this one, just so you know, it's got a little bit of heat to it, a little bit of spice, so
I
it's
think
not, it's not over the top.
I think it has a
Okay. Spicy Cheetos, you got it made.
Oh,
Okay.
Scott, help me out.
No, you just do that.
For real?
Yeah.
That-
Come on.
All right.
You're a judge.
I think there might be cayenne.
Is it cayenne or
I
jalapeno?
like the sweet spice, and it's definitely got like that kick on the back end,
Mhm.
which is great.
Mm-hmm.
For me personally, that's my favorite because I like a sweet and then
With the
into the
heat?
spice, but it's not overbearing.
So, what did you like the best? B. Okay. You? A, B, C. Now A was the sweeter, B was
B.
the normal,
B.
and C was the
So
spicy.
I love the burgers.
I liked C.
I like
But I-
C too, but
I wouldn't like it on ribs. I would like it on chicken.
I almost wish you could take B and C and mix them.
But B has the traditional barbecue
Mhm.
flavor. I love that flavor. C would be a chicken
Mhm.
barbecue sauce. For me.
Yeah, because it's not heavily smoked, but you get that little bit of heat at the end.
See, I think C would be good on a smoker.
Agreed.
Get that
Agreed.
smoke. I mentioned this gentleman, Jack Scalfani. He came up with these sauces. It's called the best barbecue sauce you ever taste. That was
Okay. Oh, that was A. Okay.
That was A. So it's a real, it's a sweet
That's super
sauce.
sweet. Yeah.
Yep. The one that you liked the best was the sweet baby Ray's.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
Very
kind of
recognizable.
recognizable.
Knew it looked
Ding-a-ling.
like barbecue.
Yeah. And the other one was that hot version of that first sauce. And basically,
Yeah.
I looked at the ingredients. It looks like
Was it
there's
cayenne?
cayenne in there.
Okay.
So,
C is
Yeah.
wonderful. I mean, that would be like I would toss wings in that.
Mhm.
That is so.
let's do this one first. A. See if you got the same palate as your hubby.
I don't. I absolutely do not. Oh, sorry.
Perfect one.
I know. All right, here we go. I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
Mhm.
This one might be familiar.
Okay, I'm digging that one too.
Okay.
A is still good. Let's go with this one.
It does dissipate. So.
It's not like you're gonna need like. It's not the one
There's-
chip challenge.
No.
I know, I'm terrified now.
I mean, really. I got it.
I'll do it.
Woo! It's zippy,
Yeah.
but I don't mind it. I like it,
Okay.
as my tongue is burning.
So, which did you like the best? A, B, C.
I'm going with A.
Okay.
Absolutely.
A is okay, I guess it's time for us to give these a try. Our neighbors were nice enough to help us out, so let's give these a try. This is A. You know, we know what these are, but it's still fun to taste them. And here's B, which we know at this point is Sweet Baby Ray's. And finally C. This is the smallest one. I know you don't like spice. I'm trying to get even smaller, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
I actually like this one better.
so you like this one the best?
Yep.
Okay. And I happen to like the hot version of this the best. So let's do a little math and figure out which sauce came out on top. After taking into consideration the sauce taste preference of both us and our neighbors, it was a close competition with only a few points separating all of the competitors. First place in the Battle of the Sauces goes to the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. Second place goes to Sweet Baby Ray's, and coming in third place is the best hot barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. Well, it certainly was a good day today. I got to make some ribs and try out a few different sauces, and the best part, I got to share it with a few of my neighbors. I'd like to thank you for watching again. I wish you all the best. See you next time.